Oh, oh, got one. Got him. Ha, look at this. Look at this little stud right here, boys. Alright, so that joker went 10 ounce. A giant stump knocker. Welcome back, guys, to Real Intention. Got the bride with me today. She's back on the boat. Got Christy out here today, so didn't leave her this time. We're back out on the St. Mary's River looking for some giants. We're about to try to break some of these St. Mary's records. We've been looking to catch some big ones for a while, so about to have a list to find out what exactly those records are, and we're about to start going after them.
Smoke them.
We're gonna smoke them. But anyway, guys, y'all stay with us. Hopefully we caught them. If y'all are watching this, we probably did. I'll see y'all in a minute. Just throw all around that stuff. Got him. Oh, nice stump knocker. Little fella, he killed it. Pretty blue eyes. Well, we didn't get skunked. Man, that dude right there should get molly-whopped. Yep, right there. Got him.
Good one. Oh no.
Well, there was one there, but we didn't connect. Oh, oh, got one. Got him. Got him, wasn't even paying attention. What we got here? There we go. That's a nice one.
That's a good one.
That's a good one. Look at there. I got monster hands, guys, but that is a big one. Big old bluegill.
Hold my hand for reference.
Yeah, come right here. Let me show you. My wife's got normal hands. Yeah, boy.
Go get him. Little hand.
Pretty fish.
Big fish.
Yeah, when you can barely grab them. Oop.
He's a good one.
That's a good one.
It's pretty.
Yeah, that's the tank right there. Well, that was a dang sure big old bluegill, but that's not the record breakers. They definitely get bigger in here, but that was a fine specimen. I wasn't even I don't even know if I got the bite on camera, because Christy got hung up with the beetle spin. She thought she had a fish. I was turning around seeing if she had one, and I looked back and spider's gone. So anyway, we got him. Well, them new mercury sound nasty, son. So them new mercury sound nasty. Right there, that dude should get hammered. There he, ooh, he just got tagged.
Dang, I got one.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, look at there. Girl got her hand. Heck yeah. Pretty fish. Heck yeah, babe. You got him? There he is.
Nice.
And a little stump knocker. He smoked that spider. He smoked that spider. Mm-hmm. Yeah, he got. Oh, I never get tired looking at that blue in their eyes. Can't believe we didn't catch one through there. Ooh, right there. Ha! Look at this. Look at this little stud right here, boys.
Oh.
Son, they put him in the aquarium. Well, he gone. That's a good one. He wanted that spider. Another big stump knocker. God, boy, they be nailing that thing. No fat boy. Look at that jerk. He fat. Christmas or something. I mean, I've had it forever. I mean, it don't owe me nothing. I've had this dude for like 8 or 9 years. No, the used camera's still in there. I hadn't really used it much because it's not as good. I mean, it's a better spot. Ooh. There we go. Oh, rooster. It's a little hen. A little hen. You can always tell the difference because the hens will be more orange here instead of red. Man, they pull hard. Ooh, there we go. Knock the fire out of it. A little hen. Bunch of hens today. Hey, pretty. You tell your boyfriend I'm picking on you. Oh, there he is. Been so long. Make sure I set the hook a couple times on that joker. There we go. Oh yeah, that's a better fish right there. Well, that's a big old bluegill right there.
Yeah, it is.
Son, that's a hammer. Now that is a slab. Babe, get a picture of that.
Okay.
That's a hammer right there. All right, so that joker went 10 ounces. We're gonna need a lot bigger than that. He a big boy. There he is. There he is. There he is. Oh Lord, now that is a giant stump knocker. Look how fat he is. Fat, fat, fat. Let's get a weight on this guy. Let's get a weight on this guy. Hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. I'm gonna let you go. Hold on. Let's get a weight on you. Let's get a weight on you. Five, 6 ounces. That is a stud for a stump knocker. Ooh, it's got the crap smacked out of me again. As you can tell, it's high tide, so you're gonna work for them on high tide for sure. For sure. And then that one right there, she working on her little napper, what we call an appetizer. Heck yeah. Yeah, buddy. Ooh. Little Brimskis. About time you caught one.
No. Caught 2 all day.
Yep. Hey, You got your little siesta though, got your little nap. Well, boys and girls, we appreciate y'all tuning in. It was tough. We did catch some fish today, but man, we had to work for them. As you can see, probably from most of the video, it's high tide, which is definitely not my favorite tide. Christy did get her a little power nap in. She didn't catch a lot of fish today, but she lost a lot of beetle spins.
I caught 2 fish though.
But how many beetle spins did you lose?
But that's not the point. I caught 2 fish.
We lost a lot of. So if anybody wants to sponsor me with beetle spins, that'd be awesome. But no, on the real though, I don't know how this video is going to turn out. I'm not sure what recorded. I'm having problems with the cameras, guys, and it might be my own fault. I'm still rocking GoPro Hero 4, so it's time to upgrade. I've held on to them for a long time. But anyway, if there's any cameras you guys recommend or some ones that y'all are having pretty good luck with, let me know. Comment down below. I'm thinking about sticking with the GoPro because that's what I know, but maybe do like a 12 or a 13. Hopefully my computer will hold it. I still got an old computer too, but I'm out of date, guys.
I'm going to have to update everything.
But anyway, we appreciate y'all tuning in as always, guys. If you don't mind, hit that comment, like, share. We appreciate all the help, guys. Y'all stay tuned for the next episode, and we'll see you on the next one. Tight lines. Guys, I wanted to show y'all. They did a good job on the boat ramp at Temple. Looks good. Got it all rocked in. A lot better than what it used to be. They just did a river cleanup and stuff too, so. But you can tell they did a good job on it. Got that dumpster there, but it's way better than what it was. They finally got something right over here. It's been a while since we had a good ramp. But anyway, thank you guys again for tuning in. I appreciate everything. We'll catch y'all on the next one.